Hey bro, so here's the video of the generator. It's on a slide out drawer, reinforced by steel. It has 27.2 hours. And then I'm gonna start it up so you can see how the test run is. Oops. Then you could put it away on the drawer. That wire just gets tucked underneath like this. Also, the inside is insulated with fire retardant insulation. You can close the door, there's ventilation, but I like leaving it open. That's where you connect your clean water to fill the tank. I know you mentioned you wanted to see the window. I have the window here. It also has glass to keep the AC in. Fold up service door. That's chalk from an event that just cleans off of water. Full electrical, all done. Everything is to code. Little audio system for when you're driving around, and then if you want to start the truck up, cranks right on. AC, hot dog steamer. This is brand new. Drink cooler, master built. Now we turn on the breakers. But yeah, I mean, everything is the remote for the AC, lights for inside and outside, full plumbing, water heater, water pump, hand washing sink, 3-compartment sink, more shelves. I mean, yeah, bro, POS is included. These are the amps for the speakers on the roof. There's 10 grand just in sound. Everything has been stainless steel. Even the roof is black stainless steel. The floor is diamond stainless steel, so it's not slip. The inside of the generator, that's kind of where it is, that it goes in from outside, but it's right there, which I reinforced as a table. Brand new whole steering column, new steering wheel, new gauges, reverse camera,